Well, this is the original document, and then I turn it into a presentation using ChatGPT, and this is the result. It is not the best looking, however, with the same prompt on Claude AI, I got a presentation that looks like this. It is definitely much more presentable than the one that was created by ChatGPT. So let me show you how you can easily generate a fantastic looking presentation document like this using Claude AI. So let's get into it. Let's navigate to Claude.ai. And before we continue, there are a few things that you need to know. So first, this feature to generate a presentation document is only available for the paid version, at least right now. And also there is one setting that you must enable on your account. So on Claude.ai, you can open your profile and then go to settings. And after that, you can navigate to a menu called capabilities. Okay, let me just click this. And let's enable a feature called code execution and file creation, and also enable allow network egress. There you go. Just use the default setting, and after that we can go back to the home page, and I'm going to start a new chat. And for this example, I'm going to be using this document. Basically, I want to feed AI this document about the definition of inference in AI, and I want to turn it into a great looking presentation slide. Now, let me just drag and drop that PDF document. And basically, you can just use a plain English to tell AI that you want to turn it into a presentation. So this is my prompt. Please turn this document into a great looking presentation document with some visuals. And by the way, I want to make the angle to be a bit more simplified so anyone can understand the concept. So you just explain to AI that you want to create a presentation document. That should be enough instruction for AI to know that you want to get a presentation document. Now you can enable other features like the web search. You can enable, you can upload other documents, etc. But in this case, I'll just use this setting, and I'm using Sonnet 4.5. Let me just send a message and just wait for Claude AI to generate a presentation from this document. Now, honestly, one thing that I kind of don't like about Claude AI is that it is a bit slower when it comes to code execution compared to ChatGPT or Perplexity. But given that we can get a result like this, I think it's kind of worth it. And in the meantime, you can continue your other work, and after that, you can come back and you can see or preview the presentation that was created by Claude AI. Anyway, I'll just skip forward and I'll show you the final result. Okay, after about 7 minutes or so, I got this document. So it looks decent. I have seen presentations that look more glamorous than this, but this is definitely usable and quite presentable. Now, just to give you perspective, this is the presentation document that was created by ChatGPT. I was using the exact same prompt, the same document, but I got this result which I'm not going to use for a real presentation. So this is more like a draft than an actual presentation document. And by the way, you can also use Gemini to create a presentation. That is something that you can do, and you can actually check my other videos on how you can create a presentation document using Gemini AI. But anyway, that's basically how you can create a presentation document using Claude AI. And of course, you can send the document to Google Drive. You can also download it as a PPTX document to your computer, and you can open it using Google Slides or Microsoft PowerPoint. So yeah, that's basically it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.